In this video, we're making this absolutely easy and delicious Tur Dal. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the dal. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. First, wash and soak the dal for 30 minutes at least and then drain and set aside. Then you're going to place your cooker on low flame and add in the oil and heat it. After the oil has heated, you're going to add in the mustard seeds and let them splutter for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you're going to add in the cumin seeds and let them splutter for 1 to 2 minutes as well. Then add in the curry leaves and cook for a minute. You can also add in the asafoetida or hing if you're using it. And then add in the green chilies and mix them in. After about a minute, you're going to add in the onions and the tomatoes and salt to taste. I'm using about 2 small spoons. And you're going to mix that in and then cover and cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes till the onions and tomatoes are soft. Once they're soft, you're going to add in the ginger garlic paste. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then you're going to add in the turmeric powder and the garam masala and mix that in. And then add in the drained dal. And then add in 600 ml of hot water. And you're going to mix everything and let this come to a slight simmer. Once you can see some bubbles forming, you can put the cooker lid on with the whistle on top. And you're going to pressure cook this on low flame for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, you're going to switch off the flame and let the pressure naturally release. Once the pressure has released completely, you're going to take off the whistle. And then you can take off the lid. And then mix everything well. You can even mash the dal a bit if you want to. And your dal is going to be ready to serve. You can serve this hot with some rice, papad and pickle, and it's absolutely heaven. I really hope you try this recipe and I'll see you soon with a new one. Bye!